What's up, art friends? Today I'm gonna show you how I made this delicious ice cream cone. Yum! To start my ice cream cone, I'm using this tan construction paper, and I'm gonna draw a big ice cream cone on it like this. And then I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. Next, I'm gonna use some really tiny dots of glue to attach this to a purple background paper. And now I'm going to draw 3 big scoops of ice cream on top. Okay, I'm ready to make this puffy paint. This is going to be a mixture of white school glue, and I've got quite a bit of glue in my cup here, and shaving cream. For the color, I'm going to put just a little bit of tempera paint. If you don't have tempera paint at home, you could use food coloring or something else red to make your pink ice cream. Now I'm going to give this a really good stir before I spread this homemade puffy paint on my paper, like this. Okay, I'm almost done spreading, and my pink ice cream is ready for some details. Before it has a chance to dry, I'm going to put some sprinkles inside, and these are just little beads that I had lying around at home, but you could try using actual sprinkles or little pieces of paper, confetti, sequins, anything like that would work for details. But because this puffy paint has some glue in it, if I drop these inside, they will stay put. I'm going to repeat this same process for 2 more flavors of ice cream. I'm pretending that my green ice cream is mint chocolate chip, so I'm going to be putting these little chocolate chunks, which are just small pieces of brown construction paper. Okay, here's my last flavor. Maybe it's Blue Moon. And my last toppings are this piece of felt that I have cut to look like chocolate sauce and a paper cherry. And there you have it, friends. A homemade puffy paint ice cream cone. So delicious. I cannot wait to see the art that you're making at home. Please share it with me. Happy arting, everyone.